All right. Before I go to examples, guys, we just derived this formula. By the way, in the questions that I'm going to give you, I don't want you to go through the whole bit here, right? Do not go through the whole thing in answering questions, okay? So we did this because you guys are math students, and I don't want you to use formulas that you do not know where they come from. So hence I had to derive. I could have just given you this, but then it wouldn't make sense if you don't know where it comes from, right? So now I want you to look at the formula that I have. This is my cosine rule. So when you are given a question, you use the formula. You don't need to derive. But then if A is equal to, listen to this, A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. Look here, we've got cos A squared and cos A there. So what would B squared be, right? I want you to do this yourselves. And what would C squared be? Follow the pattern and work out that one. Let's go to the questions then. Here is my calculator. Okay. Here we want to find the value of x. Here we are looking for the side. There we said if we are looking for the side, so as I was asking for the relationship between the side and the angle given, now let's look here. The side and the angle given. So these will be the other two sides. So if this is your A, this will be your B and C. And that will be your cos A, because that will be angle A and its opposite side, side A, for instance. So here that will be, this angle is given. All right, cool. So let's answer them. So I'm using cosine rule. So what does cosine rule? Cosine rule says x squared, if you have x squared, so you square plus this minus 2 and then cos what? Cos of 72. And look what I put here and look at the cosine rule that I have. And here, people, it is just easy like that. And what are you going to get there? So seven squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 5 times 7 cos 72 and 2, that is 5, 2, 3, 6, 8, and root. That gave us 7.24 centimeters, 3 significant figure. So that's what you have. And then now, what will you do to find the angle? So I want to find cos x. Remember what we have? This is what we have for cos x. So let's just draw a line here, and that will be cos x. Cos x, therefore, would be b plus c squared. That means b plus c squared b plus c squared, which is 4 squared plus 6 squared minus 8 squared divided by 2 times 4 times 6. So when you have something like that, you are looking for the angle. Do not forget. So your x would be your second function, that, sorry, okay, and then what you should get is second function cos, that will be 4 squared minus 6 squared, oh sorry, so it's supposed to be plus there. Minus 8 squared divided by sorry, my calculator, just a minute, divided by so my angle is 104.5 degrees. Okay, and I'll give you more examples for you guys to practice tomorrow. Thank you.